The Christmas season is near and dear to my heart, as I know it is to many of you. Given all that we have experienced during this past year and more, may I share a message about how we can help transform lives during this special time of year? As you watch, I invite you to ponder the ways you personally can reach out and help others experience the light of Jesus Christ this Christmas. This Christmas, some are still waiting for the lights to come on again. That is why we love to share the light of Jesus Christ when so many around us are burdened with fear and uncertainty. I invite you to make room in your heart for those around you who may be struggling to see the light of the Savior and to feel His love. No gifts will mean as much as acts of pure love you offer to the lonely, the worn down, and the weary. These are gifts that remind us and them of the true reason for the season, the gift of God's Son, Jesus Christ, who was born to cast out all fear and bring everlasting light and joy to all who follow Him. I wish you, my beloved friends, a very Merry Christmas and a joyful season of helping others see and feel the light of Jesus Christ.